Okay. So, let's say Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Umar Farskyusni, and today I'm going to do my project, which is giving my opinion. So, today I am going to give you an opinion about the single-use plastic in Indonesia. Well, this is a really complicated topic, which happens a lot all over the world, and it's just crazy. Well, let's just start from the smallest things. Why single-use plastic? Why do Indonesia like to use single-use plastic? Well, in our life, like everywhere, every shop, almost every shop, have a single-use plastic. You know, single-use plastic is like, you can say like, from maybe you buy a pack of maybe called something Bang Bang, yeah, Bang Bang the candy, the chocolate candy. Now, if you open it, what will you do with the trash? Nothing, right? Because it's a single-use plastic. You can do nothing. You can do nothing with it after you use it. So what do we do with it? Well, just throw it out. What will happen with that trash? Just anywhere. Like they cannot use it anymore. Maybe they can just like burn it, but like it's not healthy and still have some of like the mess. And it's like really smelly. So um like, is there any solution? Well, there is some solution, but maybe it's not really much. Like it's not gonna help. It's help gonna help, but like there is some even bigger problem with it. So maybe we just start with the first way to stop using. Maybe we can just stop using, like maybe Bang Bang. Bang Bang, we maybe can like just stop using it, or you know the plastic. You know the plastic bag, yeah, plastic plastic bag. People use it like maybe on Indomaret before and like a lot other places, but now we have already changed it to like paper and a lot other things that we use to like to replace the single-use plastic. And one of the ways, maybe we need to buy it. There is no other ways to do it other than buy it. We can like recycle it. It's kind of hard actually. Maybe you can make like we can make it to like to different stuff. We can like make it into like seeds. Maybe we can just break it into parts. We put it inside a bottle and make it hard, so we can make a chair from it. Or you can just do other things that is in the inside the internet. And like that is one of the ways to for us small people, to us the people who can doesn't really got here by the government. So yeah, that's like one of the ways to clean our planet. And um actually the biggest problem is not always on us. Usually the biggest problem is like on the big factory. Like every big factory use it, even though they can use maybe other things that is more healthy to the planet. But of course, yeah, the government defends them. But like, yeah, let's just don't talk about that one. So yeah, there is some other things that we can do. But one of the ways is like that. And
One day, one fact.
we can like maybe I have like a bit of like, really bad story about plastic. The plastic, yeah, plastic, it goes everywhere. You know how bad does the single-use plastic goes? Imagine plastic from you eat and then throw it out. Where is it going to be landed? Maybe if it's lucky, it's going to end up on a recycle place. There's some recycle place that is still possible, but it's really hard because it's a single use plastic. And or if the plastic is
How to
unlucky,
say I love you in English?
usually they end up end up like going to the sea or to the river or like every other thing, which will cause a lot of other problem. Like let's talk about the sea first. What will happen to our trash on the sea? Well, a lot of bad things happen.
Yo, bro, suck it.
One of them is like going to the sea. The fish eat the plastic and they usually die, or even worse, they still alive. We take them and then we eat them. Oh, we eat microplastic, bro. That's just so bad. You know what microplastic can happen to you? It can cause cancer, and it's really bad. Really, really bad. So, and what other things that could happen with plastic? Well, it can tie up like tight like animal things. They can get caught to the plastic and they can't move anywhere and they die. Or like just bad environment. Imagine like the water become bad. Oh my god. Imagine you're going to the sea, to the beach. And after that, sorry, sorry. And after that, there is like a lot of trash inside the sea, and like you you don't want to play in the sea. It's dirty because there's a lot of trash in it, and that even yeah, that's not only for animals, it's also bad for us. And like a lot of like people getting money from getting cutting fish on the sea. They don't really have much money to get, and yeah, a lot of things. It is still sad. That's sea. That's only sea. There is a lot other. Let's talk about the next one. One of them, maybe we can say homes. Like if we put on the river, on the sea, like if you see, usually, like place like water goes in Indonesia, like it usually fill up with trash. Water cannot go anywhere. The water level is going up, and what happened next? Of course, flood. Oh my god! And you know, flood with trash. It's so annoying. Imagine your leg is touching the trash with the trash water. Bro, cannot imagine that. It's just so bad. And not only that, it can happen earthquakes, tsunami, and a lot other things. And we haven't even talked about the global
Turn
warming.
the poop.
Like imagine with trash got burned into like um into the air, the bad air, and it becomes and the earth becomes more hot, and then the Antarctica is melting, and oh my god, there is a lot of problem using the one time use plastic. Well, imagine like you see everywhere a single time use plastic. Like you go to the wall, or to the street, on the side of the street, even in the middle of the street. Even, even bro, even you go up a mountain, still there is a lot of trash, bro. Up the mountain, like people go there only maybe once in their lifetime, bro. And still there is trash in there, bro. That's just unbelievable. I cannot even know why do people do that. Like, why? Well, there is some solution. People try to like fix this massive change. Maybe people try to make a machine that collects plastic. People try to make like a robot that collects plastic. People make a new place that process plastic to become something new. So like plastic, maybe we use single time plastic and then we turn it into a water bottle. Yeah, that's good. Good. And after that, So yeah, let's just dulu bro. If I think after all of this topic, maybe we should end this. I hope for the government. So I hope for the government to maybe we can just like reduce the mass production from the factories for the plastic, because yeah, it's not always on us. Maybe it's just the big people, the rich, over-rich people, and all other things. So yeah, thank you so much for listening to me. Sorry if it's really bad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.